All right, what's up everyone? Welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. Today's going to be our Pinterest affiliate marketing tutorial. So I'm going to show you a few different strategies to increase affiliate marketing clicks by using Pinterest. The first thing you need to get started is you're going to need a website. So when you're signing up for affiliate programs, you're going to need some website to show them how you're going to promote their products. So regardless of what you're trying to promote, you need something that when you're filling out an application for a program like Wayfair or something like that, that you need to show them this is how I'm going to promote your products. The other thing is you need to make sure that the programs you're signing up for do allow Pinterest affiliate links. So some programs don't. For example, I use Wayfair on Pinterest. I'll use their affiliate links. And Wayfair is done through shareasale.com. So ShareASale is a really great affiliate marketing network with tons of merchants on it. So regardless of what you're trying to promote, you can usually find a merchant with products that you can promote. So Wayfair is one that I use a lot, and you can add affiliate links directly onto Pinterest, and you can also link to your own website on Pinterest, obviously, and drive clicks off that way. So with Amazon, I'm also an Amazon associate. I can also use their affiliate links, but I generally use that on my own website. So if someone comes to beachfrontdecor.com, they scroll down, right here are affiliate Amazon affiliate links. So if someone clicks on one of these links, they go through, they buy the product, then I get a cut of that revenue. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have a website, you have some pages with things you can promote. For example, this tutorial, I'm going to use beach nautical wedding lanterns. So very popular category on Pinterest is weddings, home decor. Any type of decor is very popular on Pinterest because people are looking for inspiration for their own house. So what I'm going to do to get started here is show you exactly how I add pins to Pinterest that help drive traffic to my website and also to products directly on affiliate networks that I work with. So the first thing I would recommend using is a tool like Tailwind. So Tailwind allows you to upload different pins as drafts and you can schedule them. So you can see right here I have a bunch of time slots just for today. And what it's going to be able to do is allow me to upload these pins and they're going to automatically publish. And you can add different links at the bottom here. You can choose the boards you want to add them to. So it's a great way to be more efficient when you're actually trying to add Pinterest pins to your boards. So when you are doing affiliate marketing on Pinterest, my strategy is to first create a page full of content with different types of products that link out to affiliates. So right here, you'll see this product right here. If I open up this website, so it's myweddingfavors.com, you can see there's the same exact lantern. So when someone clicks on this picture, this link right here, they're going to open up this page. And if they go through and buy it, then I get a cut of that revenue. Same if we scroll down a little bit. So coming down to this product right here, let's say someone clicks on that one, it's going to open up to Wayfair. So here's another lantern. So if someone goes through and purchases this or anything else on Wayfair, then I'm going to get a cut of that revenue. So there's a few different strategies here that you can use. One thing you can do directly is just come to the product. And when you have Tailwind already installed, they have several different Chrome extensions and different extensions for web browsers. So if I scroll over the product, you can see schedule at the bottom here. I can click on schedule and it's going to open up an option where I can immediately schedule this product. So all I need to do is take this product. So I just clicked on schedule at the bottom. Up at the top, you can see this link. So it's the ShareASale product discovery tool. So this allows you to get a custom Wayfair affiliate link. And I can immediately copy this link at the top here. Make sure you're not using a shortened link. Make sure you're using full links. One thing to keep in mind is there's a lot of different rules when it comes to affiliate marketing. So you need to disclose that you are an affiliate. There's different ways to do this. I'll show you in a minute. So if we come back over, so open this back up, you can choose a board. So let's just go wedding favors. So I have a bunch of boards on my own Pinterest profile. You can see beach wedding favors right there. I can update the pin URL, so copy paste. And what you want to do is make sure you have good pin descriptions. So something like, I could do nautical wedding lantern and then discover the best products for your nautical wedding. So something very simple, just like that. I can click add to queue now. And we come back to Tailwind, and now that's going to be added to our queue when I refresh this page. So coming over to Pinterest real quick, one of the important things with Pinterest, make sure you disclose your affiliate right in your own profile description. So I have just affiliate here. The other thing I have on my website, so on every single page at the bottom of the website, I have this page may contain affiliate links. I also have an affiliate disclaimer linked here. There's a lot of different rules when it comes to affiliate marketing. You need to make sure that you understand all of them so coming back over to our beach wedding lanterns page, I'm going to show you how you can drive traffic to this page and also how you can drive traffic to a page, something just like this. So you can send people to a page with a bunch of different wedding lanterns and they can choose maybe one for their own wedding or a bunch of different ones, depending on what you're trying to sell. So we come over to our page real quick, and what I want to do is schedule this right here. So I already did that. I come over to Tailwind, you could see it right there, and I'm also going to promote this as well. So what we're going to do is take our URL, so just copy the entire URL, come over to Tailwind, and update the URL to make sure we're sending traffic to the right page. So now both of these are sending traffic back to this page. I can come and add up to the boards here. So we're going to do beach wedding favors, or we'll do beach wedding decor and beach wedding lanterns. So now we have two different boards that every single pin here is going to be added to. And the other thing I have here are unique pins where we have grids uploaded and then we upload a bunch of different products to them. So the way I do that is with Canva. I've talked about Canva a lot in some of my other tutorials here. And what we do is you create a template. So we have a template here. So 50 plus beach themed wedding lanterns, come down 50 plus beach themed wedding lanterns, pretty much the same exact template. What you can do is click here, just copy it and create a bunch of these. Then you can just upload a bunch of images right over to the left, and very simple, just create your own grids. And these types of pins perform much better on Pinterest than just a straight up product pin because people are looking for ideas, people are looking for lists, people are looking for DIY projects. So different things like that are going to perform very well on Pinterest. So I'm just going to delete these for now. I've created a couple, as you can see, and I've already downloaded them right here. Usually what I'll do is create about 20 at a time, and you can either link these directly back to your page on your website, or you can link them to a page like this. So what you would do is, again, just click on the Share a Sale product discovery tool at the top. So this one is going to say it doesn't allow custom linking, so you're only able to do it through products. So as you can see there, you can do it through products. You can't do it through a page like this. So what you can do is something like Wayfair. Just make sure you're using these types of images in your pin because people usually click because they like the images on the pin. So what I would do is click on the Share a Sale product discovery tool. Again, take this URL up here, come back over to Tailwind. So now I'm able to link both of these directly to that affiliate website, and I'm going to get credit if anybody goes through and purchases any of those lanterns or anything else on Wayfair. So I'm going to add some pin descriptions for these pins real quick. Okay, so right now I have descriptions for each of my pins. You can see the pin descriptions match the pins. So 50 plus beach theme wedding lanterns, 50 plus beach theme wedding lanterns. So this Charlton Home solar plastic lantern is beautiful for your nautical themed wedding. These two pins are going directly to my website. So when people click through these pins, they're going to come to my website, and whether they click on an advertisement up at the top, whether they click on one of these products and purchase it, anything like that will earn me revenue. So that's important because that's the whole goal here. Creating a website is really a long-term goal. So you're not looking at a get-rich-quick scheme, you're looking at creating a long-term goal here. So we're going to come back to Tailwind. So these two right here, so these with the templates and a bunch of different products listed, so they're going to be going to a different page directly to Wayfair. So if someone clicks on this and goes directly to Wayfair, purchases anything, then it's going to be basically a success for me and it's worth doing. Now when it comes to Pinterest, it's kind of a combination of quality and quantity. If I just upload a ton of different product pins like this, it's not going to do as well as coming into Canva, creating different templates, and I have a bunch of different templates I use already, and uploading products and really creating unique pins for people that will encourage them to click on them, go through and purchase what they want to purchase. So we're going to come back to Tailwind, click on schedule all drafts. So now we have 9 drafts scheduled. So those are going to go out automatically on Pinterest at different time slots. And hopefully what people do is click on them and purchase something, and then I'll get a cut of that revenue. So to kind of recap real quick, the main thing you want to do first with Pinterest is make sure that your Pinterest profile is based on your brand. So create a website For us, it's beachfront decor. Maybe you want to try another home decor website. Maybe it's something like fashion. Maybe you have a recipe website, a cooking blog, something like that. And what you're trying to do is find different merchants where you can promote their products. So shareasale.com, I highly recommend. I've been using them for several years now. It's been great for me. Amazon Associates works well for me, but I usually use that when people actually come to my website and click through on my Amazon links. So there's a lot of different options when it comes to affiliate marketing merchants that you can advertise for. And you just want to keep building out your Pinterest profile. You can link back to your own website. You can link directly to some of the merchants that you're using, just like using the Share a Sale product discovery tool. Create different graphics in Canva and use them to drive more traffic to your merchants, to your website. And ultimately, the goal is to increase the affiliate clicks that you're getting every single day, every single month. And that's really been my goal. And it's not something where you're going to get rich quick. It's not something like that. It's something where you have to keep building. So try to put out 20 pins per day. Maybe you start with 10 pins per day and just work up from there. And try to grow your following on your Pinterest page. Try to increase the traffic on your website. And as you're creating different content like this, so beach wedding lanterns, any type of, whatever the niche you're in, as you're doing that, you're going to get more clicks from search engines. You can grow your social media profile. So there's a lot of different ways to earn from affiliate marketing that goes even beyond Pinterest. So that's just something to keep in mind. If you're not sure where to get started, what niche to go into, anything like that, go to pinterest.com/categories. They're going to show the most popular categories on Pinterest. So art is popular, DIY is very popular. If you can create posts like 10 DIY projects for you and your kids and use affiliate links like that, it's a great way to drive more clicks to the merchants that you're working with. Health and fitness is popular, hair and beauty, fashion, home decor. So really, there's a ton of different things here. So for me, home decor, weddings, those are ones I really focus on with beachfront decor. I wouldn't recommend creating a Pinterest profile and just using your profile and trying to promote merchants that way. I would highly recommend going the route of creating a website, creating content on your website, and promoting specific products, promoting specific pages on your website, and just keep trying to grow the traffic to your website and the traffic that you're driving to the merchants, because that's going to increase your revenue over time. So if you have any questions about affiliate marketing on Pinterest, please leave them in the comments. Make sure you look up the terms of service for whatever merchants you're joining to make sure you can do it on Pinterest. Otherwise, sometimes you can get banned from those programs. So you don't want to kind of lose earnings that way and lose time that way. But it's just something you're going to have to keep working at and keep building and building and building. It's not something that's going to work overnight. It's something where each day you want to put out new pins, you want to create new content on your website. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching our video today, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.